First thing you're going to want to do is preheat your Kaale. You never want to work with a cold nozzle. Remove the 2 screws holding the fan cover in place. Use an Allen wrench or a multi-tool. Carefully remove the fan cover and set it aside. Sorry, Gunter.
Wank.
Next, remove the little plastic covering. Be careful, it is 1,000,000,000 degrees. I burned myself the first time. With the plastic covering removed, you can now begin loosening the nozzle. Make sure to use another tool to hold down the heat block, as you don't want it turning and messing up any wiring. You're going to be turning to the right with the nozzle, not the left. Replace with your new nozzle, this time twisting to the left.